Okay, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Pet Simulator X again. Um, Last video I put in a dark matter. No, I put in some rainbow pixel wolves into a dark matter, the dark matter creator. And here we go. So it's in dark tech. We have our pixel wolf waiting, I believe, but we're not gonna go in there yet. We're saving it for the end. So yeah, let me just no, I'll just leave it like that. Unless someone's trying to talk to me. All right, guys. So if you guys have not gotten to this area and you guys are brand new, just tell me. But if you guys are new to the game or you're really trash at the game and you don't have good pets, like something like, hold up, let me show you. Like, you don't have anything like these, all of these pets. If you don't have anything from, if you don't have any good pets, I can give you some. Like, maybe one of these. I can give you a golden pixel slime since I have a bunch of those. I can give you some of these if you're new to the game. I can give you some of these. I even give you some of these. You know, if you're new to the game, I'll just give you some pets real quick. Yeah. But I'll do it to 3 people this video. If you're new to the game, you get 3 free pets. So comment your username down in the description. I'll pick 3 lucky people to get free stuff. Yeah. So 2 minutes into the video, let's go down to the Pixel Forest. Let's hatch a few eggs, and let's actually see video luck. There has to be such thing as video luck, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go down here, and I've got an ultra lucky boost and a super lucky. So I'm gonna actually activate this and this. So both of those. Now, guys, if you guys have this, the huge pixel cat, I will offer literally a bunch of my pets for it. But anyways, let's auto hatch. Turn on this. Let's hatch a few eggs, guys. Let's see, pixel pink slime. That's auto deleted. Pixel wolf. Actually, guys, let me just turn it off so that I actually get the pixel wolves, because I want to be giving you guys some, you know, good pets. So let's actually make it so that we can get legendaries. Let's touch a few eggs. Maybe we can get a mythical. And if we get the huge pixel cat, guys, I will give my dark matter pixel wolf to someone. And I will give this right here, this dark matter pet, one of these dark matter pets to someone. And no, 2 of these to same person. So if you guys want, so if we get this, hopefully we can get this huge pixel cat. I really hope we can, because then you guys get some good stuff. 74. Why are people chatting so much? Dang. All these pixel wolves will be pretty much going to you guys. It's gonna be around it. Last one. Okay, this is the last one. Alright, pixel pink slime. And one last one. Just for luck. Come on. Give me something good. A pixel wolf. Alright. Now, we already have some pixel wolves. Let's redeem this so we can get that. So guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Pixel Wolves to give away. That's a whole set for someone. So if you guys want that, you guys get that. Anyways, let's actually go down here. I don't know why nothing's loading in. That's confusing to me. Guys, if you think I should buy VIP, tell me down in the description. Because to be honest, I might buy VIP, guys. I don't know. But boom, guys. Is that better? Is that better for you guys? I think it is. So this is the Void, guys. If you guys have never been to the Void, I'm about to show you what it looks like if no other YouTuber is. Because you guys probably watch Pet Simulator X YouTubers if you're watching this. So this is the tech world, the world that you can make dark matter pets at, if you did not know. Oh, whoa, hold up. Okay. Let's see. Oh, is this a... What is the... Sorry, but I don't... Fantasy World and Spawn World. Fantasy World I really don't go to unless I need enchants, but I can show you guys that right now if you guys want that. We'll go there right now. Then we gotta teleport back here. Okay, so guys, this is the Fantasy World. What the heck? Oh, I never bought this. Heaven Island? Heaven Island. Oh, you can't just... I have 100 billion right now, guys, so... What's this? Empyrean X. Yeah, this is the Fantasy World, and... What's that? But, actually, let's go back to the Pixel Forest. It's nearing the end, guys. I just want to show you a bunch of stuff that you guys have probably never have seen before, actually, in other Pet Simulator people. Okay, I've been wasting y'all's time. Let's cut to the chase and, well, go get that pet. So let's go to Dark Tech area. Okay, guys. We're gonna wait for this and then we're gonna claim it. And then let's walk on in. Let's walk over here, guys. Guys, view. 3, 2, 1. Go, guys. Let's take a look at the power. 3, 2, 1. 40 trillion power! 40 trillion power? Guys, that's actually pretty good, not gonna lie. But since this is our first dark matter, it will be not for trade. So, let me just close this. my bank. Let's actually deposit. Let's click this, deposit, yes. And look guys, is the most powerfulest in our bank. And probably will always be the most powerfulest in our bank unless I put better stuff in there. Like pets that I might want to put in there. I've never know guys. But thank you guys for thank you guys so much for watching today's amazing video. And yeah. Wait. I'm confused. Okay. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.